Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 12th Standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, Chapter number 2, Exercise 2.11. Definite integral as a limit of a sum. As a limit of a sum. Look at the formula. Integral a to b f of x dx equals limit n tends to infinity and h tends to 0. This is infinity. Sigma r equals 1 to n h into f of a plus r into h, where h equals b minus a by n. Then four results are there. First one, sigma r equals 1 to n, a, where a is a constant, that is equal to an. Second one, sigma r equals 1 to n, r equals n into n plus 1 by 2. And third one, sigma means summation, sigma r equals 1 to n, r square equals n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. And the fourth one, sigma r equals 1 to n, r cube equals n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. These three formulas we have learnt in 10th standard. Exercise 11, evaluate as the limit of the sum. Problem number 1, integral 0 to 1 x plus 4 dx. This is a keyword for you, limit of the sum. Here f of x equals x plus 4, a that is the lower limit and b is the upper limit. This is f of x, because integral a to b f of x dx, f of x x plus 4, a that is equal to 0, b that is equal to 1, a that is equal to 0 and b that is equal to 1. First we can find h that is equal to b minus a by n, b that is equal to 1, a that is equal to 0 divided by n that is equal to 1 by n. Then you have to calculate f of a plus r into h, that is equal to f of a value 0 plus r into h value 1 by n, that is equal to f of 0 plus anything is same thing, you just write r into 1 by n, r into 1 by n that is equal to r by n. So you have to calculate f of r by n. Look at that. Here f of x that is equal to x plus 4. Instead of x, what is here? R by n. So replace x by r by n. That is r by n plus 4. We know that integral a to b f of x dx that is equal to limit n tends to infinity, h tends to 0. Here is the formula. Sigma r equals 1 to n h, sigma r equals 1 to n h into f of a plus r into h, where h equals b minus a by n. After that, write the question. A to b 0 to 1 f of x x plus 4 dx, 0 to 1 x plus 4 into dx equals, once we find h in terms of n, you no need to write h, you write n alone. Limit n tends to infinity, sigma r equals 1 to n h. What is h? H value please 1 by n into f of a plus r into h. Here it is. What's the value? R by n plus 4. R by n plus 4. equals limit n tends to infinity sigma or equals 1 to n 1 by n into or by n plus again sigma or equals 1 to n 1 by n into 4. Tell you again, sigma or equals 1 to n 1 by n into r by n plus sigma or equals 1 to n 1 by n into 4 equals limit n tends to infinity 1 by n into n, that is 1 by n square. So limit n tends to infinity is common for both the terms. So write n by infinity 1 by n into n, that is equal to n squared, so 1 by n squared sigma or equals 1 to n or plus write 1 by n first sigma or equals 1 to n 4 equals limit n tends to infinity write 1 by n square as it is sigma or equals 1 to n or result here it is, that is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This can be replaced by n into n plus 1 by 2. Then 1 by n as it is, sigma or equals 1 to n 4. 4 is a constant. It should be treated as a. So result number 1. Sigma or equals 1 to n a, that is equal to an. Here what is the value of a? 4. So you write 4n. n get cancelled. Here 1n get cancelled. For your reference I write the note. This one direct formula. For this one only I write the note. Since sigma or equals 1 to n a, that is equal to an. Since okay, that is equal to limit n tends to infinity. Write the constant 1 by 2 first, 1 by 2, then n plus 1 by n. 1 by 2 into n plus 1 by n. 1 by 2 into n plus 1 by n plus. So n already cancelled. So 1 into 4, 4 equals n tends to infinity. Write 1 by 2 into n by n plus 1 by n. It can be separated as n by n plus 1 by n plus 4. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by 2 into both n get cancelled 1 plus 1 by n plus 4. After that only you have to replace n by infinity. Now 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by n can be replaced by infinity plus 4. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by infinity value is 0. The reciprocal of infinity, that is 1 by infinity, 1 by infinity value is 0 plus 4 equals 1 by 2, 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 4 equals half into 1 is half plus 4 equals 1 plus 2 4s are 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 9 by 2. That is the answer. Can verify. I do the verification also. How to verify the answer is correct or wrong? Very simple, but no mark will be given for this verification, just for our reference only. The question is integral 0 to 1 x plus 4 into dx. Correct? X dx integration you know very well, x power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 4 into dx 4 integral dx is x. Directly I have written, you know that formula, since integral x power n dx formula, please, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. I have applied this formula. N value is 1, so 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, 4 is the constant, so only dx integration is x. Just you have to apply the limits. X power 2 by 2 plus 4x, limit 0 to 1. What is the upper limit? 1. Replace x by 1. 1 squared is 1 by 2. 4 into 1, 4. Upper limit over. Minus. Substitute x equal to 0. 0 square, 0. 0 by anything is 0. 4 into 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Totally 0 only. Equals 1 plus 2 4s are 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 9 by 2. Look at that, same 9 by 2. Okay. So problem number 1 is over. I'll be teaching problem number 2 in the next video. Thank you, children.